Are you struggling to be consistent in your social media posts? Well, today I'm going to help you by teaching you about content pillars. This simple concept will help you create more content around these pillars and help you post more consistently. Let's go. One of the most common problems a lot of our clients have when coming to us is consistency in posting to all of their social media channels. So the first thing we do is teach them about content pillars. Now, these content pillars are easy ways to establish consistent content to share to your social media channels. Today, I want to teach you 3 content pillars that you can use to get started. And I would encourage you to add to these content pillars and continue to use them to fill out a social media content calendar. Whether it's weekly or monthly, a calendar will help you consistently post to your social media channels. So the first content pillar, inspirational content, right? How can you inspire your audience? It can be an inspirational post or an inspirational story. People like to be inspired, and you can find ways to do that on social media. Here's an example. Is there a quote that really resonates with you? Share that quote on social media. Or how about a heartfelt video that you saw over the weekend? Share that with your followers. Even better, if you've got a powerful story, a testimonial about how you helped your customers, share that story and inspire those people through social media. The second content pillar is inform. Inform your audience about what you do and how you can help them. Now, it's obvious that I enjoy educating people on best practices as they apply to social media, but perhaps you offer a service or a product that helps people as well. Show people how you help them, inform them and educate them, and then they will come to you when they really are ready to dive in and learn more and have you help them along the way. And you don't just have to be a service-based industry. Inform people about upcoming events, sales, and special offers. Don't forget, people don't like to have to think about what you can do to help them. Constantly remind them on social media. Inform your followers regularly through your social media content. The final and arguably most important content pillar is interaction. Spend time interacting and engaging with your followers on social media. Now, this is the most important one in my opinion, because that's what social media is, a two-way conversation. This is a great opportunity to get some feedback from people, to get some general comments from people, and just to have some fun keeping the social in social media. Some simple examples of this might be posting an open-ended question, such as, "Finish this sentence," or asking people what their weekend plans are. Or even recently with the Super Bowl here in the United States, a lot of people were using that opportunity to ask their followers on social media who they wanted to see win or which commercial was their favorite. People like the opportunity to talk on social media and be heard. So make sure you're using some of your posts to interact with your audience. Let's review these content pillars, shall we? Inspirational content, informative content, and interactive content. These are just 3 of many content pillars that you can establish in order to feed content and updates regularly to your social media accounts. Now, if you need any help establishing more content pillars or want some ideas to fill some of those content pillars for social media posts, feel free to comment on this video, or you can always reach out to us at revoxsocial.com.